Hi the video. So
Hi.
how was the feeling?
Very good.
You are excited?
Extremely excited. पहली बार जा रहा हूँ अकेले.
Okay, so ready?
Going for the first time. Yeah.
Okay. आजा मिलते बैठते. एक. Okay, now back the turn.
No.
जैसा start में बता देना position वैसे बैठो. Easily. Okay, good.
I am doing the river rafting in Kullu-Manali. So it's a personal boat. So Ravish and Amit are helping me in completing this river rafting on Kullu-Manali. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited.
Okay, now get down. Okay, get up. Okay, once again, get down. Forward, man.
So it's started to rain right now. It's raining a bit pretty normally. It's not so high, but it's an amazing feeling because I'm already in the river. So it actually doesn't matter whether it is raining or not. But I'm really loving this experience. I really love it. River rafting in Kullu-Manali, the best.
Yes. Okay, get up.
Unbelievable!
Get up. Okay, so ready? Okay, say hi to the camera. Okay, now get down. Okay, forward. Hard marak. Stop. Okay, get up. Come back. Okay, come back. Okay, please come back.
Okay. Wow. तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Amazing, excellent. आपको काफी एक्सपीरियंस है भाई.
That is because forward maral to. चल कटिंग मारनी से. रुक बच्चों के बाद. देखिए पत्थर में चढ़ गया अब यहाँ. चल मार forward. Stop. सीधा चढ़ के खेलने बंदे मजा आता है. गेट बैक. हाथों को खोलो. इनको बोला हाथों को खोलो ना, दोनों हाथों को खोलो ना. Yes. Okay, get back. Share the experience. So कैसा लगा आप लोगों को और आप?
Unbelievable. It's extreme cold conditions, and it's although it's raining, but you guys are amazing, man.
Okay, so thank
You guys
you.
are really good.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
Very good experience. Perfect.